God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. God saw that the light was good, and he separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. And then there was evening, and then there was morning, the first day. God said, "Let there be a vault between the waters to separate the water from water." So God made the vault and separated water under the vault from the water above it. And so God called the vault sky, and there was evening and there was morning, the second day. God said, "Let the water under the sky be gathered into one place. Let the dry ground appear." And it was so. God called the dry ground land, and gathered waters he called seas. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let the land produce seed-bearing plants and trees on the land, and bear fruit with seed in it, according to their various kinds." And it was so. The land produced plants bearing seed according to their kinds, and trees bearing fruit with seed according to their kinds. And God saw that it was good. And there was evening, and then there was morning, the third day. God made two great lights, the greater light to govern the day, and the lesser light to govern the night. He also made stars. He set them in the vault of the sky to give light on earth, to govern the day and the night, and separate light from darkness. And God saw that it was good. And then there was evening, and then there was morning, the fourth day. God said, "Let the water teem with living creatures, and let the birds fly above the earth across the vault of the sky." So God created the great creatures of the sea, and every living thing with which the water teems, and what moves about in it, according to their kinds, and every winged bird according to its kind. And God saw that it was good. God blessed them and said, "Be fruitful, increase in number, and fill the water in the seas, and let the birds increase on the earth." And there was evening, and there was morning, the fifth day. God created mankind in his own image. In the image of God he created them. Male and female he created them. Then God said, "I give you every seed-bearing plant on the face of the whole earth, and every tree that has fruit with seed in it. They will be yours for food. And all the beasts of the earth, and all the birds in the sky, and all the creatures that move along the ground, everything that has the breath of life in it, I give you green plant for food." And it was so. God saw all he made, and it was very good. And then there was evening, and then there was morning, the sixth day. By the seventh day, God had finished the work he had been doing. So on the seventh day he rested from all his work. Then God blessed the seventh day and made it holy, because on it he rested from all the work of creating all that he had done. Adam and Eve betrayed God when they went against him and followed the serpent, after the serpent said, "You will have the knowledge of God if you eat from the fruit." Adam and Eve thought they didn't need God, and they were ungrateful of their humanity. When God asked if they went against him, they blamed it on the serpent and each other. Because of Adam and Eve's actions, we now have original sin. The only way we can be redeemed from this sin is if Jesus, the Son of God, comes down and saves us.